Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. These are the levels from yesterday's streaming. So we will change that. So let me remove that first. Yesterday wholesale inflation came from US and it was at nearly 20 to 22 years high. That was supposed to be positive for gold prices because usually wholesale inventories get passed up to consumer inflation as well, and higher inflation means gold prices should go higher. Nonetheless, when the data came, gold prices were trading around 1779 and then it crashed up to 1769.68. This is 15 minute chart, so let's switch to it. Crashed up to 1766 and now currently trying to bounce. Not exactly a bounce of $3 to $4 recovery. However, resistance is not that far away. We will discuss that in a bit. Today we have Federal Reserve conference, press conference, plus they will also decide if they want to raise the interest rate as well. We also have retail sales monthly and core retail sales monthly. So we have an action pack today. So make sure you have a very strict stop loss if you are taking any position, even if it is buying or selling. No matter what position you are taking, make sure you have a very strict stop loss. So now tonight Federal Reserve will decide if they want to increase the interest rate. They will also give their input that what exactly they are gonna do about this higher inflation which is running hot for almost, it is running at almost at the 40 years high, and I don't see any major relief in inflation for at least 3 to 4 months. It could come around, it could fall back up to 6% or 5.5%, but below 5.5% it is extremely difficult. And Fed have to increase interest rate, and how much interest rate they gonna increase in 2022, that is the key of gold prices. Minimum they have to increase 2 times. So I am expecting minimum 2 interest rate hike next year, maximum 3 to 4 interest rate hike next year. And how Fed accommodate these 2 to 4 interest rate, that is the key. And how much they increase on every time, that is also the key. So today will be very crucial, so keep an eye on the event. I will be updating all the details on Telegram and Twitter as soon as data come. And of course, I will also be covering brief what happened in Fed press conference and exactly what their take on inflation in my next video. So make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. Now let's have a look at resistance and support for today. 1778 will act as resistance now. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1788 and 1800. Support at 1762. Below this support, expect 1755 and 1750. Currently, gold is trading in a weak zone, but expecting a bounce very soon. So trade accordingly. If you are going for shorts, then I would advise a very strict stop loss. Let's move on to silver. These are the levels from yesterday's live stream. Let me remove them. Silver also crashed and tested around 2169 yesterday after the data. Now it is also trying to recover from 2170 to 2190 after making high around 2206. Currently it is also trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support now. 2210 will act as resistance. Above that, expect 2230 and 2250. Support at 2165. Below this, expect 2130. Even though gold and silver both are in weak zone, I would not advise any fresh selling in gold silver because we have crucial data and market seems to be making a base around this level. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil currently trading almost at $70. Yesterday, these are the levels from yesterday. 70.20 was support. After this support, it made low around 69.50 and still it is trading in a weak zone. So let's tweak the levels for today's trading session. 71.50, that is the resistance for today. If oil break and sustain above this, expect $73. Support at 68.50. Below this level, expect 67 and $66. Currently, crude oil is also trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to euro. This is euro and these are the levels from yesterday. We need to tweak those levels now, so I'm gonna remove them. Currently, euro is trading 12.62. It has entered in weak zone, so let's have a level for today. 12.90, that is the resistance for today. If euro break and sustain above this level, then expect 13.20 and 13.50. Support at 12.45. Below this support, expect 1200 in euro. Let's move on to pound, British pound. This is British pound, currently trading 32.35. These are the levels from yesterday's streaming, which I have given yesterday's streaming. I have tweaked those levels. These levels are still valid. 31.90 will act as support. Below this, expect 31.50. Support would be 32.95. These levels are from yesterday's but still valid. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. Then we will see Indian market levels. This is Bitcoin. Resistance at $49,100. That is still valid. 46,250 support is also valid. So Bitcoin levels are again same, nothing to change. If there is any change, I will tweak those levels in my live stream today. Usually I live stream from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Indian timing. Let's move on to Indian market levels now. So this is gold, currently trading 48,027. Resistance stands at 48,150. Support stands at 47,880. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. This is silver. Currently it is trading 60,750. Silver resistance stands at 61,120. Support stands at 60,250 rupees. Now, if you have enjoyed this video or if you find this video useful, please don't forget to press the like button. Leave your comment in comment section. I read all your comments. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is given in description, also flashing on your screen right now. I will see you in my live stream today. Till then, take care. Bye bye.